On March 19th of 2016, the Orlando Police Department received a troubling 911 call about a gunshot. Joshua Bell was the unfortunate victim of this tragic event, and he died as a result of lethal gunshot wound. The information provided regarding the gunshot was sparse, leaving much to be found about the circumstances and motivations behind the act. Witnesses named Ivania Gary as a primary suspect in the gunshot incident involving Joshua Bell. Surprisingly, she managed to avoid the criminal court system, avoiding a trial for the purported murder. Witnesses' identification of Ivania Gary as a key suspect should have been a significant breakthrough in the investigation. However, the fact that she eluded the legal process raises major issues about the investigations and the court system's competence. It leaves both the victim's family and the community feeling deeply wronged and with unanswered questions. The interrogation of the lead suspect was a critical step in the investigation into the shooting involving Ivania Gary. During this time, the detective in charge of the interrogation read Ivania Gary her rights, emphasizing her right to leave at any time. Miranda rights reading, which includes the right to stay silent and the right to have an attorney present during questioning, is a critical component of criminal investigations. The investigator guaranteed compliance with legal procedures and protected Ivania Gary's constitutional rights by openly reminding her of her rights, including the opportunity to end the interview. The emphasis on the option to leave at any time reflects the nature of the questioning process. It acts as a reminder that cooperation is voluntary and that individuals have the freedom to end the conversation at any time. During Ivania Gary's interrogation, substantial differences in her testimonies about the sequence of events surrounding the shooting incident arose. She initially stated that she heard the gunfire before getting into the car, but later contradicted herself, indicating that she only heard the rounds after getting inside. The inconsistencies in a suspect's claims might call their credibility into question and put doubt in their involvement in a crime. In this case, Ivania Gary's contradictory claims raise questions regarding her knowledge and possible complicity in the shooting. Inconsistencies like this could indicate a lack of honesty or an attempt to alter the facts. They could imply that she is either suppressing critical information or offering misleading details on purpose to mislead investigators. Investigators may use a variety of strategies to reconcile these conflicts, such as cross-referencing other witness statements, analyzing physical evidence, or conducting additional interviews. In court processes, contradictions in a suspect's statements can be important elements in determining their guilt or innocence. They allow defense attorneys to question the dependability and credibility of the suspect's testimony. Meanwhile, prosecutors may exploit these inconsistencies to bolster their case against the individual. During Ivania Gary's interrogation, the investigator in charge inquired about her relationship with Courtney Nero, the victim's brother, Joshua Bell. Gary revealed the existence of previous fights between Nero and Bell. This line of questioning sought to elicit any possible motives or hatred that might have prompted Gary's involvement in the shooting. Investigators attempted to uncover a possible link between the personal ties and the terrible incident by investigating the interactions between Gary, Nero, and Bell. Previous altercations suggest a history of stress or disagreement, which may have had a role in the circumstances leading up to the shooting. Ivania Gary decided to end the interview near the conclusion, expressing fears about her safety and a desire not to become further involved in the case. This abrupt shift in mood and show of anxiety provided insight into the complicated feelings and apprehensions that she was feeling. It implies that there may have been underlying issues or other forces that influence her behavior and decisions. That's all for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.
911 emergency, Patty, been recorded. Hello, can I help you?
Hi.
Yes, what?
Hello, this is the police department?
Yes, this is the Orlando Police Department. What's going on?
Somebody just got shot upstairs.
Okay, how do you know that?
Because the guy is hanging from upstairs.
The guy is what?
The head guy is hanging from upstairs. I'm inside my apartment downstairs. He's upstairs.
Who's upstairs, Sam?
The guy. Yes. Yes, he's upstairs.
Okay, ma'am,
He's upstairs.
just stay on the phone with me, all right? Let me go ahead and get her.
He's upstairs.
All right, hold on.
I don't know. He's alive. He's just hanging.
He's just what?
and he's just hanging over the rail.
Okay, he's hanging over the rail, okay.
I need to call my husband.
No, you need to...
No, he got shot.
Who got shot?
Hello, this is the Orlando Fire Department.
Oh, we need an officer at 3952 apartment 110. Somebody just got shot.
They're already on the way.
Yes. Oh, okay.
They're already on the way. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Because he just leaning over.
Longer, this building's going to be coming down. We're going to be over on OBT pretty soon. But anyways, thank you for coming down. You know, we'll try to see if we can, between us, get to the bottom of what happened here and, you know, take it from there, okay? I know you're here, you came down here voluntarily, but because of what's going on, I am going to